In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the content not accessible error in Roblox. So if you're getting this error on the screen here where you're unable to access certain experiences, then there's actually a quick and easy solution. So the first thing you need to do is just head over to the official Roblox website, and once you're on the Roblox website, just make sure you're logged into your Roblox account. Once you're logged in, click on the settings icon in the top right hand side and press settings. From the left navigation, select privacy and content maturity. Select content maturity. Now, if you're unable to join certain games on Roblox and you have this slider here set to anything but restricted, then this will be the reason why you're unable to join. So all we simply need to do is drag this slider all the way over to restricted like this. And now you may need to verify your age if you have an under 17 account. You can do that just by clicking on the verify now button, and you'll need to upload a photo of either your passport or driving license. If you don't have this available, then what you can do instead is just move the slider over to moderate, and that will allow you to join most Roblox experiences. You may find a couple of games are still limited, but these are effectively your two options to solve this. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.